Basic mistakes. Is there a setting place of sun in the world anywhere? If I need to go to the setting place of the sun, where do I go in the world?
The setting place? What do you mean by
Of the sun.
The sun, yeah.
Where does the sun set? Is there a particular place where the sun sets? If I showed you Google Maps,
Yeah.
will you be able to tell me where the sun sets?
It's according to Earth's motion, yeah.
Yeah, according to motion. But if I showed you, so this is of course the UK map of UK.
Yeah.
But if I ask you, please, can you help me understand where does the sun set? Is there a particular place you can point out to?
It's in the specific position. It will be west and the east.
It's just directions. There's no
Yeah.
place. But Surah 18 actually describes how Dhul-Qarnayn went one way and he arrived at this setting place of the sun. Near that there was a village and he had an interaction there. And then he left that place, went the other way and arrived at the setting place of the, rising place of the sun, near which apparently there is a village. So according to the Quran, these are two specific villages by which there are rising and setting places of sun.
Yeah.
This is just junk. People
Maybe it was about like hidden somethings about literature.
see?
It's not. It's saying something, but it's not actually saying
You
this.
see the problem with this? The problem with this is across the Islamic world, you think the Quran is from God because of science. So in other words, you are depending on the scientific claims. But the scientific claims suddenly, now we have to say, well, they're not scientific, they are maybe poetry. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Except in this case, it is meant to be literal because it is describing events. Dhul-Qarnayn goes to a place, he sees it set in a setting place, near which there was a village, a specific village.
Yeah.
And then he goes the other way and goes to the rising place near which there was a particular village. So this is a historical event according to the Quran.
Yeah.
You see, so these are specific literal places.
Yeah.
So the Quran makes fundamental mistakes.